Alright, look, I take this red deck, and now you shuffle these cards, really true. And now I take 1, 2, 3 blue cards. This is free jack, why not? And now Spectator take 2 cards, card number 1 and card number 2. It's really free, it's not force, maybe your cards king of spades, and maybe your cards 3 of clubs. King of spades and 3 of clubs putting her this free jack. It's really true, it's really no force, it's really free choice, and squeeze this free jack. Alright. And now you make a sandwich. It's really true. Yes, because you take really any cards. You take maybe 5 of spades, 2 of spades, 3 of diamonds. You take really any 2 cards. And now I take these 5 cards. And now I take jack of diamonds. Jack of diamonds is jack leader. And now snap, and your cards vanish. It's really crazy because this is free jack. Heart, diamonds, hearts, spades. Alright, look, I take this free jack, take this red deck, look, drop it, snap my finger, and now 1 blue jack vanish. Of course, 1 jack vanish and teleports center of this pile. It's really crazy because this jack of spades search 2 cards. Of course, this is 3 of clubs and king of spades. Of course, I take this free jack. It's really normal deck, it's really normal cards. Let's learn. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really easy to do card trick. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, like in this video right now, and now I teach you this really easy, crazy card trick. Yes, it's really amazing trick. So guys, maybe share this video with a magician, why not, maybe you find really magician. And now take your deck and teach this really crazy card trick. Let's learn. Alright, first trick, you make a little setup. You take full red deck, and now you take 3 blue cards. Maybe you take 3 jack, maybe joker, maybe king, ace, it's really any 3 cards. I take jack of spades, jack of diamonds, and jack of hearts, right? It's really free jack. And now I take this red deck and take 1 jack, this is jack of spades, and put in her top of the deck, alright? And of course you take this free jack, diamonds, hearts, clubs, clubs, hearts, diamonds, take this free jack and put in her your pocket, maybe you put in her box, it's really anywhere, alright? And now your setup look like this. This is free jack, this is free blue jack, 1 jack of spades, put in her like this, and full normal deck, and free jack, drop it, alright? So, and now you make any full shuffle, any full card, because you control it this jack of spades. Maybe you take this cards, put in her your right hand, now you take this little pile, make a really shuffle, and now this pile, drop it like this. Of course you control it this jack of spades. Look, I repeat, you make a really shuffle and this pile, drop it like this. Of course you control it this jack of spades, like this. Alright, so it's really easy. Alright, and next step, you drop it this pile, take this free jack and show it this free jack. It's really normal jack, and drop it like this. Yes. And next step, you take this deck and Spectator take 2 cards, maybe card number 1 and card number 2. And next step, you squeeze, save it, and make you break these cards like this, and take these 2 cards, turn over and drop it this your break. Alright, I repeat. Spectator stop anytime, 1, 2, it's really free, make a break, save it your break, alright, take these 2 cards, turn over, and now you take these 3 cards and show it these 2 cards. This is 3 of hearts, turn over, squeeze, and 5 of hearts, turn over, squeeze, and drop it like this. Of course your jack of spades here and 2 cards here. Alright. Next step, you take these 3 cards, turn over, make it fun, and now you take card number 1, put in her, card number 2, put in her. Of course, 5 of hearts here. Right. Drop at this pile, squeeze these 5 cards, turn over and show it these cards. Don't show it like this, show it like this. And squeeze these cards like this and show it like this. And now you have this pile, drop it like this, take this deck, make a spread like this and show it your sandwich. 3 jack and 2 your cards. And now you count these 3 cards and now you make you break these 3 cards and squeeze and save it your break 3 cards. Alright? Look, show it these 5 cards, count 3 cards, make a break, squeeze, take these 3 cards, drop it like this. This is 3 cards. Alright? And this jack of spades and 1 cards. And next step you have this finger, count little pile, and now you make a move it like this. You take this pile and now you make a classic pass like this and show it these cards. Right? Look, make a little pile, make a break, count little pile, take this pile and show it these cards, maybe these cards, maybe these cards. It's really free. Alright, drop at this deck, take these 3 cards. And now you take this 1 card, this is Jack of Diamonds is Jack later, drop it like this. And now you snap your finger, with this finger take 1 card. And now you turn over these cards and show it this 3 Jack like this. It's really easy, look. 1, 2, 3, count 1 card, and make move it like this. And now 2 cards vanish in this 3 Jack. It's really crazy. Alright, next step you take this 3 jack and show it 3 blue back. You take jack number 1, jack number 2, jack number 3. It's really free. And of course you take this red, blue, take this 3 jack, drop it like this, snap your finger and show it 1 jack vanish. It's really crazy because you make a spread and show it 1 card to nowhere face up and teleport this deck. It's really crazy. And now you take these 3 cards, jack and 2 cards, and show it this is 5 of hearts and 3 of hearts. And of course this is jack of spades. It's really crazy. It's really easy to do. Thank you for watching my video. See you later.